we chose Nokia because I was looking for an innovation partner, and truthfully, I didn't see a lot of innovation in kind of the direction we were going, which was focusing on bringing families together, and Brian immediately when I talked to him about it really felt like this was a great app for a family, and so that of course, and the fact that they have their own mapping back end that's really state of the art. Yeah, it's great, and they were willing to deploy it. I don't know if that would have been possible on an Android, and I'm fairly certain it would have been possible on an Apple. But
yeah, so I guess it's also because of the brand itself, like more of like connecting people, and also in terms of the strength of their mapping.
Sure. Yeah, the maps are great, and I think it's something like 6 out of 10 of the major car manufacturers use their mapping systems or something. So yeah.
What do you say, sir, about the increase in terms of the technical specifications of Lumia? Because there's, from dual core to quad core. I'm sure your game was also partly the reason for the sudden increase in terms of technical specifications, the sudden boost. What do you say about that, or to Nokia about the sudden?
Sure. That's one of the things that we, as I said, we didn't really have the tablet specifications yet, but we knew where they were with the phones, and that told us a lot about where they were going to go with the tablet, and that was an important part to the whole app coming together, because we had to have all those parts working together. We had to be able to render fairly high quality graphics. If you saw the demonstration, doing that in real time, pulling down data, that's hard to do on a sort of a lower end output device.
Sorry to ask more questions, but you partnered with the Maps team directly, sir, in the Nokia Maps team?
I partnered with the app development team, which is really under Brian Biniak, and he engaged the HERE mapping team and kind of brought us all together to make it happen.
Alright, so the HERE mapping team was really part of it.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Alright, sir, so
and
just
still are. They're not done. There's more to do.
So just to wrap up, sir, for the Philippine coverage, can you invite my readers, the Filipinos, to check out the application?
Yeah, it's the best commuter app you could ever want, and we hope that you guys will all download it and go, and we're going to get it on the Asha line right away.
All right, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So why DreamWorks have a partnership with Nokia?
Sure.
Why Nokia?
So the partnership with Nokia was sort of founded out of the desire to innovate, and we found that we were really looking for a partner that wanted to differentiate itself, and Nokia is clearly doing that right now.
Then what's your expectations after releasing the Dragon Attack games on the Nokia Lumia devices?
So the Dragon Adventure game will be released across the 2520 and the Bandit product, the 1520. I think I get the number right there. And as well as the companion apps will be on all the Lumia line of phones. We're looking at porting that app onto the Asha as well. We're looking at performance to make sure we can do that.
So the game will be available on the Asha devices as well?
That's our goal. We don't know yet. We ran very fast and hard to get it ready here now. We started this, just really launched on it at Mobile World Congress in February. So from February to today is only about 7 months or so.
So in the future, the DreamWorks games will be available on Windows Phone 2 besides Android and iOS? Okay.
That's our plan, yes.
Okay. So, thank you.